Alright. So this one, I always start. This is the only time I mind blast the entire fight because I want to save mana. I mind blast on one into a dot. I do dot and then a couple GCDs, smite, soulless. Oh, I think I was a little late on that one. I missed the soulless. And then I start doing my first ramp. Then probably get hand of PI there. This is a Shadow Fiend ramp. Go back here. I didn't get everyone. I think we got a crit though in the mind game, so that was nice. And then we trinket fade for DR, and then penance again. We're using this scrawled word of recall in this one. Get double penance. I was pretty happy with my movement in P1. We did it a lot, right? So it was like I was able to get read dots right here. I mean, I'm not casting, but whatever. Go one on the tank, and then cycle a radiance into a schism. Sell the soulless for the hit. Move with penance. I got a bomb here, but lose a little extra damage, but it's fine. I'll probably defensive penance today. Nah, I just soulless, and then I kind of just ran over. Yeah, fade that, walk in, radiance, cycle the mind games. Nice, we get a little tubbins and gubbins there. This is my soak with Desperate Prayer. Reatone the tank, move in position with penance, and then we're pretty much planted here just smiting. Radiance off myself, schism, and then we'll move a little bit with penance. I probably should have held that penance a little bit and then moved. Big move here. I still goblin. I got the dot refresh off. I don't know, maybe a waste of mana. Always do it on the barrier, redot, get one, start ramping. We get a bomb here, so like normally I would have called that you should Hellstone. Oh, right here I should have Health Pot. There's like no question. I'm super surprised I didn't die. Someone hit with me with a massive heal. I only got one Radiance off there. Mind Game, Schism, and then Penance, and I Trinket Penance. Yeah. I get Fade. I get Fade for one tick, so probably the most dangerous one. And okay, cool. Yeah, this one I'm planted again. Reatone the tank. PI Guap. Position. Desperate Prayer was up there again. Use that there. Lost some casting there, but oh well. We're lucky more people didn't die on that ramp I got there. It's all good. LOS. Move position. I'll probably dot. Yeah, refresh dot and start ramping again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See if we get good radiance targets here. 5 and 5. Okay, so I think that it was good targets that just dropped off people, which is fine. It's not on me because I have some leech. This is where I screwed up. I used my trinket. I should have held my trinket there because it throws off all of my my empowered penances on all my other ramps now. Oh well. I think I self-atoned more this time. Just to keep myself alive a bit more. What I was trying to do in these points was get in a good position where I can do all my single targets on all of the melee in myself and then radiance off either of the groups. But I was never in position enough to be able to get good radiances up into those people. So like in hindsight, I probably should have saved my radiance targets as either myself or melee targets. Melee targets probably better. Maybe like my first radiance could have been off me, and then my second one could have been off of melee. Maybe we're doing another ramp here. This is just like a mind games ramp, so like I won't have a lot of juice on this one, or it'll be quick rather. I did get the radiance out before that torment. I was struggling a little bit there. And then oh yeah, Radiance Kazaya, but I think she was the she's normally to the right of me, so that wasn't a very good one. I'd arrange Taco here or Guap. Move in for the PI. I think I have more mana than I normally do, but that's fine. I did really bad on my fades in this phase too. Like I should have been way better. Missed the atonement on Wreck too, because Wreck is like running super fire. This one, I think this is the right play to hang out on this side of the pillar. Like it's awkward, and like, but I think I'm moving too much if I try to hang to the right. Although the boss is at a range now, which is kind of crap. They got late mind games. It's hard to say. It's probably for actually healing, like going through that pillar really quick is probably better, but some defensive penance there. I think I do a little wide. What do I do? Nah, I just wait and radiance off myself. That, and then I'll schism, penance, and Solus move. I'll probably door over to purple, get in position for P3. Actually, I think this pull we'd missed a pillar as tanks, but it still worked. I think Rek made a big play. Her Brewmaster. Too bad I don't have the damage meter. Hopefully that. Right here, I'm pretty much just saving mana if I can. I fade for the hit. A lot of the healing here is actually coming from L's because his monks. Good job baiting. Good job not moving, baiting. Barrier, and I'll probably start ramping a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'll probably just run over Radiance, and then. Yeah, I think I hit Kazai twice, but that's fine. Not super dangerous there. Gate, get in position. PI, we'll get the 2 ticks. 1, 2, and then I'll go to bait the knockback. Nice, and then get that extra tick. Perfect. Then we're to stage 4. I was really happy how this worked. Like, I think my positioning on getting that refresh worked really good. And this ramp, I did, way too quick. Because we had, like, Lust and all those the Boon of Azeroth. Oh, I actually didn't have PS up. I thought I had PS'd him. But. Oh, and I just missed the grip on Schwab. Kazong, I think she's running back to the team. We get the Dispel here. I didn't get it. Somebody else got it, but that's good. I seen somebody in there. I just trusted. Walked out. Didn't want to get an extra stack. I think here I just like start throwing like Shadow Men's at like crazy. Might start. Do I penance anyone here? Yeah. And there we go. CE. Overall, pretty good. I'm happy. I'm just happy with like our progress in general and like my overall how I played during prog. At my I think I struggled the most this pull. There's nothing I could really do with the ramp in P1 getting a bomb there. That's just kind of you're rolling the dice. Most times I don't get it. It's fine. We still lived. P2, I was never really comfortable with my positioning. Like I always kind of hang out in the back left, but like in my ramps, trying to get past those pillars, especially that fourth one, that fourth World Cracker and Torment combo. I just couldn't get in a groove to whether I should be on the right or the left, and then evidently I was on the right this time, and I was at a range of the boss for when I needed to hit them with my Schism and Mind Games. But other than that, I mean, I think P3 worked really good. Like, I was really happy how We got our baits in correctly. I feel like I refreshed the buff at like a perfect time, and our P4 was really good. This is I think the this is like the second time we got to P4 where we knew the strat. Like I think we had gotten to P4 on Wednesday, but weren't really like comfortable in our positioning and how we were soaking, what we were doing with other people. But yeah, overall super happy. I'll probably make a clip of this and then upload it to YouTube.